Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to type accents over letters in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to type accent over letter. Firstly, write some letters in this document. Then go to the insert menu and click symbol drop down menu, then choose more symbol. Then click the font, normal text and subject combining direction marks. Then select the essay. Here are many symbols. We find and select a symbol. Now we can see here we type accents over letters very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.